welcome to our channel. I am Miss Diana. How do you do today? Hope you're doing fine. Well, today we are going to go for musical instrument exploration. Oh, who is ready for that? Me! Okay, so who can tell me how many types of instruments there are in this world? So many, right? Wow, there are drums, there are shakers, there are piano. Oh, what else? There are bells, yes. There are castanets, triangles. There are so many types. Probably some you haven't even seen before. But today we're gonna talk about string instrument. Oh, what is string instrument? Oh, they are the instruments that are made out of strings that you can play like this, right? Who's ready to spell string? Let's have a look. So, let's spell the string instrument together, okay? Let's go. S T R I N G. String. One more time. S T R I N G. String. Yes. String instrument. String instrument. Very good. Oh, and we have violin, harp. Have you seen harp before? Wow, it's very nice. And guitar. So let's have a look. What are the string instruments? Here you go. Let's see together. This is a violin. V-I-O-L-I-N. Violin. This is a cello. C-E-L-L-O. Cello. This is a guitar. G-U-I-T-A-R. Guitar. This is a harp. H-A-R-P. Harp. This is a mandolin. M-A-N-D-O-L-I-N. Mandolin. This is a banjo. B-A-N-J-O. Banjo. Wow, do you like all the instruments that I showed you? I hope you like them all. So, today we're going to make our own string instruments. Who wants to see how to make it? First, prepare a rectangle container like this. Say rectangle. Yeah. And then prepare some strings. Oh, these are our strings. It's the rubber bands. Say rubber bands. See? Rubber bands. So we prepare maybe 5 or 4 is enough as well. So try to get thick ones and the thin one, okay? Here, first we must take the thick one and we will put it here, hold on it and pull and go around just like this. See? Just like this. Okay? Next, we will take the another thicker one. We have 2 thick one, right? So go ahead and put. Yeah. See, can you hear the sound? Go. Oh, nice. Then we go for the thinner one. Be careful because the thinner one may break or may not break. So just be careful. Ask your mommy to help you, okay? There you go. There you can hear it. Yay. And then another one. Let's put another string. Yeah, there you go. We got our string instruments. I'm gonna make 4 strings, okay? Then you can hear the sound. Can you hear it? Wow, so we have our own string instrument and we can play with them. Then you can play like this. And how about you try putting your finger on it? See, the sound is different. Right? So when you put your hands on the string, it will make different sound. When you let go, it will make another sound. Wow! So you should try it at home yourself, okay? Now, let's try making some music together. So kids, are you ready? Let's make music together with our new instrument that we just made ourselves. Are you ready for that? Okay, first, let's count together. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here we go. Bring your instruments and let's sing together. Can you hear my strings go? 1, 2, 3. Can you hear my strings go? 1, 2, 3. Can you hear my strings go? 1, 2, 3. Can you hear my strings go? 1, 2, 3. Yay! So we have our string instruments made by ourselves. I hope you will enjoy playing them. And don't forget to try making the sound, holding the strings, letting go the strings, and you can explore differently. And I hope you have a great time at home. Bye-bye!